This video will show you how to upload files that you can associate either with a client, a patient, or an invoice or consultation note. So first of all, let's look at a patient. If we select a patient, and here we'll select Fluffy, you can see on the patient record there is a tab there for files. You click on the Files tab and all the existing files for that particular patient will be shown. We can then add a new file, give the file a title. Now these files can be anything from laboratory reports to photographs. You can pretty much upload anything here. You can categorize them, then browse for a file on your computer and click Upload File. And you'll see that that file has then been uploaded. If you want to then access that file, simply clicking on that will allow you to download it and view it. So you could use this for X-rays or anything like that also. There you go, and there's the picture. Alright, like I mentioned before, you can also attach a file to a consultation note or a history. This would be, for example, if you take a photograph of a skin case or something else while you're consulting. So for the same patient, if we went to New Consultation and we created a new consultation and we save that consultation, you'll see that after you've saved the consultation, you have a File tab there. And here we can add a new file to the consultation. Once again, you simply browse for the picture you want, select the picture you want, and upload the file. And you'll see that the picture then appears here under this particular consultation. You can then always access these pictures again, either by entering the consultation or by going back to the Patients tab, the patient's record, and these pictures will then be listed also under the patient record. So there's the one we linked attached to the patient, and there's the one that we attached to the consultation. You'll see that the name tells you that that one's also linked to an invoice or a consultation. So it's really, really easy to manage files of photographs, X-rays, laboratory reports, etc. You can do exactly the same thing for clients, and you can always associate a file with a client, although this might not be that common if the clients have their own File tab. And in very much the same way, you can upload photographs and pictures or documentation that's related to clients. All the files are stored in Google Drive, and you'll require a Google Drive account for all this to happen.